Welcome, my name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl right bracket, which will allow you to find all of the direct dependents, meaning the dependents that are immediately attached to your current value or your current cell. So with that, let's get started. Right, so a very brief review. In the last couple videos, we looked at the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl left bracket, which would show you the direct precedence, meaning the values that come immediately before and contribute to this specific value, and that of Ctrl shift left bracket, which would select all of the values that eventually run down to give you this profit function. Now, what we're going to do in this video is figure out all the values that are related to this, all the values that are directly related to this. So if we press the Control key and the right bracket, it will select this cell here. So this cell here, we'll click in it, basically references our end of year profit. And it looks like from our equation that there's this situation where you have your year-end profit and you have a percentage of that profit is going to be calculated as what you're going to put in your retirement fund. So again, this value here ends up in this cell. So we press Control right bracket and we can find that. Now, if we were to say profit less gifts, like maybe you give gifts to people and you take that out of the money you make from your business. If this was going to be equal to this times, let's say 0.10 or 10%, then when we now click the Control key and the right bracket, both of these are selected because both of these values have values related to this individual cell. If you wanted to find the items that were direct precedence from this, you could press the button up here, go to Special, Dependents. I think I misspoke. We're talking about dependents. So if you want to find all the direct dependents, you would click that. Again, it would select those two cells. Let's make a third value. So let's say slush fund. Maybe our slush fund would be this times 0.1%. So now when we click here and we go to, let's go Alt Home FD, and then we'll go to Special, Dependents, Direct Only, it would select these three values, right? Because this value relates to that cell, this value relates to that cell, and this value directly relates to that cell. In our next video, we'll look at how to select all the dependents of a specific cell by using the keyboard shortcut Control Shift right bracket. So check that out in our next video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.